Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take a screenshot by power button and volume down button. That is using buttons, how you can take a screenshot in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Okay, the oldest and convenient method of taking screenshot is using buttons. Okay, so first of all, what you got to do is decide the screen for which you need a screenshot. Okay, so here I am going to take a screenshot from this page. Okay, so after deciding your screen, and then use power button and volume down button together means simultaneously you got to press these two buttons. Okay, press and release just one time continuously, that is together press these two buttons and release. Okay, yes, this is the floating window. Okay, that is a screenshot that you have taken using power button and volume down button. There are a lot of edit options here. You can do editing using this. Okay, and after editing, click on save here and it will be saved. Okay, these screenshots will be saved in screenshots folder. Okay, so to locate it, what you have to do is just go to the files in your phone and then go to recent folder, and recent file will be appearing here. Suppose if you have passed a lot of other captures and other files, then if you like to go to the particular screenshot, then you go to locate the screenshot folder. For that, go to the internal storage and then go to pictures and click on screenshots. So all screenshots will be available here, so you can locate the particular screenshot that you have taken. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.